When it comes to networking and relationship management, Salesflare and Nimble are two solid options that come up in almost every discussion. But which one is truly the best for managing your connections and building strong relationships? Stick around as we dive deep into both of these tools to see how they stack up against each other, and I'll reveal a better alternative at the end, so make sure you watch till the very end. First up, let's talk about user experience. Salesflare prides itself on being incredibly easy to use. You don't need to spend hours learning how to navigate the platform. The interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it perfect for busy professionals who need to hit the ground running. It's designed for people who don't want to spend all their time on CRM tasks, but still want everything automated. On the other hand, Nimble is also simple to use, but offers a slightly different experience. Its strength lies in integrating with social media platforms, which allows you to easily gather information about your contacts from across the web. This can be particularly useful for professionals who are actively networking on social media and want to bring the data into their CRM for better relationship management. Next thing to consider is automation. Salesflare really stands out in this area. It automatically pulls data from emails, calendars, and other apps you use. It's like having a personal assistant that tracks every interaction with your contacts. The downside? Some users feel the automation can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're someone who likes to manually track every single step. Nimble, however, offers solid automation too, but it's a little more manual compared to Salesflare. It's not as automated, which some might like because it gives them more control, but it also means you might need to do more work on your end. So, it really depends on how much control you want versus how much you want automation to handle for you. The fourth thing to look at is contact management. Salesflare does a great job of organizing contacts in a way that's easy to understand. Everything is categorized neatly, and it allows you to track your contacts' behavior across multiple channels. However, some users have pointed out that it's a bit too streamlined and lacks the flexibility to tailor it to your specific needs. Nimble, on the other hand, excels in contact management. The integration with social media really helps bring in the details you need about your contacts. Plus, you can manually add custom fields, so it's a lot more flexible. But it might take a little more time to set up initially, which can be a barrier for some. The fifth thing is pricing. Salesflare comes at a higher price point, especially for smaller teams or individuals. But you do get a lot for the price in terms of automation and integration. Nimble's pricing is more affordable and provides a good value, but it doesn't have quite the same level of automation or social media integration, so you have to decide what's more important for you. Now, both Salesflare and Nimble offer decent mobile apps, but neither are perfect. Salesflare's app is good for accessing contacts and tracking activities on the go, but it can feel a bit clunky at times. Nimble's mobile app is more focused on social media integration, making it more useful for those who live on social platforms, but it's not as polished as the desktop experience. So, both Salesflare and Nimble are solid tools for networking and relationship management, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. However, after trying both of these tools myself, I found that while they're both good, they don't quite hit the mark in every area. If you're serious about growing and managing relationships, there's a better alternative for this goal. The alternative I recommend is a CRM that offers a better balance of automation, user experience, and customization. If you want to check it out, take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial deal for viewers like you. So, don't waste any more time wondering which CRM is right for your networking and relationship management needs. Take the leap and try it out for yourself.